Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Welcome to Find Your Mate.
Fine.
Please tell us something about your work experience.
I have experience from Philippines. I'm working all around the house. I'm working also as a babysitter, like newborn. That also 2009, I'm working domestic helper. I have a lot of experience in the house, but
Yes, so you have any experience working abroad?
yes,
W-
I have experience in abroad as a waitress.
How about nanny?
That one is the past in Singapore, ma'am.
Okay. And then may I know the nationality of your employer in Singapore?
That the husband from Malaysian and the wife from China.
Okay, and how many members in the family?
All is four. Have one son, 8 years old, and have daughter, 5 years old.
Okay, can you tell me what were your duties and responsibilities while on that job?
Duties and responsibility as a nanny, we have a responsibility, responsible, have respect to your boss, flexible, honest, and
Okay.
loving.
And how about here in UAE? Do you have any working experience?
Uh, I have experience as a waitress.
Okay. And why you're looking for a new employer and find another job?
Actually, ma'am, my visa finished on December 28
Okay. And how much salary are you looking for?
at 2000.
Why you're asking this amount? Why do you think you deserve 2,000 dirhams?
I think 2000 dirham, it's okay because like including for the everything, it's okay included, right? So like for me, it's depend to the boss.
Are you married or single?
I have one son and
Okay.
I'm married, but 5 years I'm separate already.
Okay. I will now ask you questions about
Uh,
different situations you may encounter while on the job, okay?
uh,
If the baby is non-stop crying, what will you do?
the baby's not stop crying, so maybe if I will sing or I will dance, then if he's still not crying, if I he's she is not or he's not stop crying, so maybe I will ask to my madam if she's there like that because maybe some happen to her feeling
Okay. And how do you know if the baby got sick?
because the baby uh you can see in the face
Aside from that?
and always crying.
Okay. And how about cooking? Do you have any specialty in cooking?
Adobo. But cooking is like not say easy, but for example, if mostly expat, I don't know also cooking like the Italian or what. But if the madam she can give me the clue, I will write down and I will follow.
Okay. And how about cleaning the house? Which area do you usually start working in?
I love cleaning the house actually because I'm lady almost Filipinos always cleaning in the house
Okay. And why do you think you should be hired?
because I'm the best and I'm flexible also. That's why.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a
Thank
good
you, ma'am.
day.